Apple, Apple, Apple. Why do you want to take all these wonderful people money? You say you care about the environment, but you only care about your pockets. Of course, we want all of your money. Shut up, Tim Apple.
You got to start doing it over here, and you really have. I mean, you've really put a big investment in our country. We appreciate it very much, Tim Apple.
What's up, guys, and welcome to Dancing with Tech. Today, we're going to be talking about some good old tech news. But first, don't forget to subscribe, hit notification bell, like, and leave a comment below. And of course, we know you why you guys click on this video because you want to see and hear the wonderful joke for the day. So the joke is, what did a snowman tell the sun? Hmm? Come on, you know this. He told his son, are you going to turn me into a Sunday? All right, guys. So there's still a lot of sales going on. We just had Black Friday and Cyber Monday. So, guys, I'm not going to go over anything specific to that because there's so many different sales going on with different retailers. You guys like video games, so you guys like different tech and appliances for your home. You got Best Buy, you got Lowe's, you got Amazon, and this goes on. So, guys, check all these deals out. The news for today is it's about Apple. We know Apple loves making billions and billions of dollars, right? Right? Of course, we love to make money. That's our job. So let me take over this segment of Dancing with Tech when it comes to Apple news. I'll show you all agree with that. Okay, you guys enjoy yourselves. All right. I'm Apple Tech. Wait a minute. Can someone please change this background to something a little more appropriate? That's better. Now, over here at Apple, we decided to do away with the headphone jack. Of course, the headphone jack has existed in many devices since the 1950s. You know, those connected devices like in the old school phones or different things. Yeah, that type of jack. With the jack functional with many devices and form factors, making it essential to all devices across the world. Until we disrupted that by making the iPhone 7 without a headphone jack. Now, a lot of you guys was really upset about it, but hey, business is business. And we believe in innovation. But hear me out. It was needed to make the iPhone 7 waterproof, even though Samsung was able to make your phone waterproof with a headphone jack. We thought we should do it our way. It took a lot of courage for us to make this phone without a headphone jack. We want to be innovative, as I stressed. We wanted to save and still continue to charge you the same high price tags. That's just our philosophy, making money. Now, in 2020, we decided to keep the environment healthy and clean by getting rid of the charger and the headphone jack. You know, the little pieces you use for your ear to listen to music. We want to do away with that stuff. This will help us save money from bundling these things together. Please don't judge. It's just a money opportunity. If you really want to use a charging block or get a headphone jack or the little pieces you use for your ear to play music, like you guys have to say, well, you still can get it. All you gotta do is go to our website and purchase each one for $19. That's great. It's almost under $20 if you don't add tax to it. Now, before I forget, you guys have an iPhone that needs a MagSafe, which is the wireless charge that did not come with the new iPhone. Don't worry about it because we didn't put that in the box either. We didn't want the box to be too heavy for you guys to hold. But of course, you can buy it. It's gonna cost you some more money. And you can really get it for $39.99. You already know that we are using health and environment as an excuse to get rid of all these little things so that way we can increase our profits. You guys want us to be innovative, so here goes the wow factor. Now, we're looking into getting rid of the charging port entirely. on the one of the iPhone 13 variants, it will absolutely be no port at all. So you're trying to figure out how you're going to charge it. We'll talk about that in a little bit. Now, of course, we are going to have other phones with the usual Lightning port and not the USB-C. Of course, I'm really proud that we are saving us a lot of money by doing these different things. Okay, that's enough. Okay, I can tell you. I think you
Thank you,
clearly made your
guys.
point,
I'll
right,
let you
guys?
guys.
Anyways, okay, so while this crazy talk, now this is Apple's way of fixing a problem that really doesn't exist, not to my knowledge. They want to change all of their devices ports to their own, even in a MacBook, to the Lightning ports instead of the USB-C type, which is basic standard these days. Now, the MagSafe, unlike previous wireless chargers, MagSafe allows you to use a phone while charging it because of that. There's an argument to dish all the charging ports all together. Let's look at the bigger picture. Look, the big picture is without a charging port, your option connecting your phone to your computer using your charging port will not be an option any longer. It's non-existent because it won't be there. This will affect how it makes data transfer so cumbersome that you are essentially will be forced into spending into iCloud storages. Yep. Of course, this is an anti-consumer move that benefits only the company and not their consumer. I guess this type of thing will keep happening until enough people resist the urge to stop emptying their wallets for their phones. All right, guys, thanks for checking me out. Want to hear some more good news or some good old tech news? Click over here. Want to watch some more videos, reviews? Click over here. Until then, I'll see you guys next time.